Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is brand new video from my new office. And in this video I'm going to share how I have started my journey and how finally I started my own agency, also a learning platform. So if you want to become a successful entrepreneur from zero or without any investment or in the beginning of your college life, then this video will be very motivational and inspiring for you. So let's get started. You see right now I am on a new environment and I am recording this video from my office. In here, I basically do freelancing outsourcing related work as a agency. Also, I will teach people who want to become a freelancer, who want to become a successful entrepreneur. So basically, I just created my environment because I feel perfect environment is very important to learn anything or be success in career. If you don't have perfect environment, then it will be very hard for you to become a success in your life or become success on your goal. So that's why finally I have completely make a good environment than any previous days. And you see, if I show you everything with a webcam or with a camera, then you can understand. But as this is very beginning level video, I just want to share the initial starting journey with you. So what is this? Basically, when I was a college student, I was serious about my career because I know in Bangladesh it's very hard to get job by studying on general educational system and by taking a general certificate or a skill. That's why I search for a trending and latest tools that has value worldwide, also that has demand and high salary range. And finally I select to become a website designer. Then day by day I move to WordPress, Shopify and SEO. And finally I have started my own agency from where I provide digital marketing service, website design development service, and also I have a learning platform where I teach people who want to learn like me and want to make money from home as a freelancer without any investment and start their journey. So this is just a introduce video. I just try to make this video to remember always that this is my first video at my office. Of course, I will make professional video, share day by day a lot of things in my YouTube channel. And I was little bit slow on the last month or from the last month, and from now I hope I will be full time available in this YouTube channel, also my e-commerce thesis YouTube channel. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful and you get some motivation, then click on the like button. Of course, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.